A very good evening to everybody. I've started early today, and I'll I'll end early today as well, so I can go for my walk. Okay. Very good evening. Let's see who comes in and say hello first. Willie, good to see you. You're number one. Doris, you're number two. Wow, thank you. Okay, there's a lot more people coming in right now. Bilson, good to see you. Alpine, I haven't seen you for a long time. Okay. Ronnie, Andrew, wow, there's so many people say hello. I cannot catch up with all the hellos. CC, good to see you. Michelle, good to see you. Ronnie, Strike, good to see you. Okay, Hainan, brother, good to see you. Big Cannon, Elaine, CSK, very good evening to all of you. Okay, yep. Very good evening to everybody. Okay, very good evening to everybody. Sunshine, good to see you. CK, good to see you. Celine, good to see you. Wait, there's sunshine and there's little sunshine. Are you all related? Okay. Yeah, today early. So I thought I'll start early today because today has a has a big news, I would say. Yeah, Chris, good to see you. Today have a big news, so I thought it's important for me to quickly come up because there is contagion risk. Okay, if you understand what's contagion risk. So I want to talk about the gold prices. Gold prices will see a phenomenal crash. I was told by gold experts they have never seen this kind of crash for 20 years or something like that. So I thought it was quite interesting. I want to talk about it. Okay, so I'll give my perspective, and then we can discuss. Because gold is. I want to talk about the more bigger question: is this the start of a crash that will spill over to the stock market? I think that will be even more serious, right? So what we are seeing right now is a speculative gold bubble that kind of I wouldn't say burst, but kind of fizzle. And will we see the same effect on the stock market? So I thought it's a very important thing I want to share everybody. Okay, everybody give a thumbs up. Okay, everybody give a thumbs. Jian-Ming, good to see you. Roslyn, good to see you. So I'll quickly announce the top five winners first. Okay, give me a minute. Let me get the top five. Okay, the top five is Willie, Doris, Cal, C-A-L, Cal, Patricia, and EDC. Okay, you all can just write to Jermaine at premiummore.sg to claim your free tickets. Okay, I think it's called Singapore Heritage Center, something like that. Okay, that's sponsored by Singtel. A very important news I want to share everybody is that I'm also invited by Singtel again to do a podcast interview with their CFO Arthur Lang, and that will be after the announcement of their results. So I thought that would be a very cool thing to do. Arthur and I know each other for quite some years already, but I think it would be very cool if we have a chance to interview a CFO. What do you think? Okay. Okay, so let's analyze this entire gold rush, shall we? And gold crash. So are you guys ready? So if you guys ready, remember, continue to give a thumbs up and let's go, okay? All right. Okay, so let's recognize that indeed there is a gold crash. There's no way to sugarcoat this. There is a gold crash that when I ask the gold experts, they have not seen this kind of gold crash for, I don't know, for at least 20 years or something like that. 10, 20 years, they have not seen such a gold crash, which surprises everybody. Okay. Um, and I thought this is quite an important lesson for all of us. Wait, give me a minute. I'm trying to put my phone up so I can read your comments. Okay. Yeah. So I will attempt to analyze the macroeconomics of this thing, and and then um, and then later we'll also take a look whether it will spill over to the stock market, because whatever happened to gold is a very small, tiny market lah. But if it spill over the stock market, wow, that's catastrophic, right? So let's take a look. Oh, before this, I want you to give my usual disclaimer that this is for education and entertainment, not financial advice. Let's go, okay? So the gold prices has gone up to an all-time high around $4,400 US dollars per ounce. And if you all know what is called per ounce, it's just one gold coin only. Okay, I used to sell the gold coin, gold bullion. And yesterday it crashed by about, so far, about 9%. Okay, the prices, I don't know what's the latest. Just now I checked, it was still going down. This afternoon, it actually recovered by 1% from yesterday, and then later it LS again. Okay, so question is this a temporary correction or a structural shift in the entire gold bull market? I think that's a question that we attempt to ask. Let's take a look at first what drove the gold prices to record high. I think it's very clear to everybody that what originally drove the gold prices to record high, it started off with war. There were two wars in the world of a very large scale. One is the Ukraine-Russian war, and unfortunately, the war is still going on right now. I was told that 7,000 people die in a week. That's how many people died. Okay, and it's still going on. And so far, 1 million Russian have died, and probably about less than half of that, less than half or one third of that in Ukraine side has died. So there's a lot of people who died. And by the way, this number is in line with military doctrine. The attacker will lose 3 times the defender's casualty. So that has come out to pass. Those people who have gone through military school like I did, in in OCS, in commander school, you will know that the ratio is 3:1. So with so many people dying, with so many war going on, gold prices actually gone up. And then later, October 7, 2023 happened, and that caused another war between Israel and Gaza and Hamas, and as a result, that caused more instability. So that was one reason. Second is that there was a trade war between China and US, and Russia also has many of their assets confiscated by US. As a result, the main countries like them start to realize that US a bit unreliable. So they started diversifying away from USD and USD asset. So as a result, China holding of holding of asset is holding a US asset is going down, but their gold holding has gone up astronomically. It's almost like a vertical climb. You look at that graph. Let's not forget that there is a global debt problem that's going on, and a lot of people are worried about fiat currency. That means currency right now, they're very worried that, is it reliable or not reliable? So a lot of them are moving away from fiat currency, and let's not forget that US is not the only country that has debt. Okay, there is a lot of country that's a lot of debt. I think with the exception of Singapore and maybe I don't know which other country like Norway or something like that, most country is in debt. And there was quite some time where there was a persistent inflation. Nobody liked to hold gold because So nobody like hold currency. They like hold gold because that was the alternative. So all these things caused the gold prices go up. And in October, the 2 days, 1 day ago, the things start to change in tone, right? Number one is the Gaza-Israeli war ended, and that's great, right? So the hostages were being released. I know there's some exchange of dead hostages still not there, but the war has came to an end. An Israeli friend just visited me. A few days ago, I asked him how's Israel. He said never been better. Okay. So there's also a strong economic US data coming out. The inflation is coming down, 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 down. And as a result, let's not forget that as the gold rises, the equities and equity story is still very strong, and the bonds story is getting stronger. So there are alternatives to gold right now. So gold is in a very precarious state. So US-China relationship, cool, hot, cool, hot, cool, hot. So we don't know whether this is a contribution to the gold problem. Anyway, but certainly the Ukraine situation potentially is cooling down because Ukraine President Zelensky just got into a shouting match with Donald Trump, and Donald Trump is basically pressurizing him to accept Putin's peace terms, which basically means give up, give up, give up, give up, give up land, right? And Zelensky is very unwilling, and 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 the whole world realized that Trump is now on Putin's side, which is unfair, but life is unfair, right? As a result, Ukraine right now have no chance, no choice and no chance. So right now it is a situation where everybody thinks that the Ukraine-Russian war potentially could come to an end in favor of Russia, but at least it'll come to an end. Okay. So now the gold prices came to a collapse unexpectedly and suddenly. And I asked some gold experts, they have not seen this kind of collapse for 20 years or something like that. In one day, one and a half days, collapsed by so much. I think it's largely to do with the fact that the US dollar surprisingly is strong. A lot of people think that the US dollar is going to collapse until 1:1. How many of you heard that story? Okay, but the US dollar is standing strong. Okay, is standing strong at $1.30. Okay, to Sing dollar. At one point of time, everybody think that it's going to collapse to 1:1. I don't think so. Maybe 20, 30 years time, I don't know. At least for near future, I don't think so. And money is now shifting out money market funds and gold whatsoever to now treasuries. US treasuries is doing well right now. Global bonds are doing well. I did a talk yesterday about it. A lot of people are starting to make money from the bonds. Congratulations. So it is a logical thing that people, after seeing the gold prices going up so high, take some profits as well. And that's what we're seeing right now. But as I analyze the situation, ask experts, ask AI, everything, everybody almost come to a same kind of conclusion. What has caused the gold prices to go up hasn't really stopped in a big way, right? Because most government are still in the mode of most government are still in the in the mode of incurring a lot of debts. That's the same for US. That's the same for Malaysia. That's the same for a lot of countries, with the exception of Singapore. And the central banks across the world, especially China, Russia, maybe even Singapore, I don't know about that, continue to buy gold to diversify away from USD. You think about it, to hold $1 million of a currency, let's say US dollar, right? You got to prepare a very big space, But to hold $1 million of gold, it's just like holding four pieces of this phone only, one piece 1 kilo, four piece is $1 million already. So actually, for people who want to zao lo, gold is very good. And there are deficits across the world, and I don't think although the war between Gaza and Hamas and Israel has stopped, I don't think peace will ever return for a long time. And I'm not even sure whether Russia and Ukraine will come to a peace agreement so fast. So the long-term reasons why gold is continuing to go up, I think largely still there. So a lot of analysts say that you will likely find support around $4,000 per ounce for gold. I don't know about that. I'm just announcing. And the high could be around 4,002, 4,003. So they're operating around this band. We are right now around 4,000. Could it go down? If it go down, then it probably hit around 3,007 or so. So right now the question is, what can cause the gold prices to go further down, right? More peace, okay, much more peace. Central bank, start to sell gold. Okay, at least stop buying gold, and the inflation contained and growth steady. In a peaceful world, gold will pull back. Okay, this is where I want to answer the question of. Okay, maybe I switch back first, and I want to ask. Just tell everybody this, okay? So to sum up on gold, and I'll go to stock market for a while. I don't think gold will, okay, I don't think gold will have a major collapse. I don't think so, but now I want to caveat now. I'm not making a prediction. I'm just summarizing what I see from all the analysts. Okay, no one has indicated that gold will collapse in a big way. So I just want to share what my findings is. I'm not a gold expert. I better declare it. Mr. Tang, good to see you, okay? So gold, by the way, I went out for lunch with Mr. Tang. He introduced me to the most amazing barbecue beef I ever eaten in my whole life. Super, super amazing. Whoever is interested in that place, maybe I do a live stream from that place to let everybody know. Then our business will go out again. This is an amazing beef. I never had such amazing barbecue beef before. I'm still savoring over it. So anyway, the question is, whatever we see as a collapse of gold, will it spill over to the stock market? And the answer is yes, anything is possible. But we need to talk about chances. I don't think the chance is high in the current state. And here I want to take the cue. Okay. Later ask me again, Andre. I'll give you the restaurant name. Super amazing. You're wasted. I forgot to take video. Next time I go there, I take video for everybody. So the chances of it spilling over, I don't think is high, but it can happen. Now, I just want to say that the same reason why the gold prices could suddenly soften is largely also because there's massive profit taking. If the same, okay, massive profit taking were to happen, okay, in the stock market, then you will trigger a crash as well. So let's take a look at what will happen to the stock market, shall we? This is very important because Tom Lee gave another projection again, okay? I follow Tom Lee very, very closely. I didn't say I believe everything he say, okay? But he is a very good analyst. But let's see what he says, okay? Tom Lee was interviewed again by CNBC, and this is what he said, okay? Watch what he say, oh, goodness, okay? All right, oh, man. Okay, I got to go down. And this is what Tom Lee says, Tom Lee says that he still stand by his 7,000 point S&P 500 by end of this year. And this is the first time I hear him say this, so everybody watch my lips. He says that 7,000 points will be a low number. Do you all hear me? No, I didn't think you all hear me. Let me say again. He says that S&P 500 could hit 7,000 points by end of the year, and at 7,000 points, it would have been a low number. So you can think it may even go way above 7,000 points. Wow, he's damn bullish, man. The problem is that he's very, very chun. So I cannot say that I cannot say that he's wrong. Okay, and I don't dare say he's wrong. But he actually thinks that 7,000 points is a low number, and now we are 6,700. So for us to hit from there is about 4,000 points. 4% to 4% to hit that point. I think it's possible. Okay, but to say it's a low estimate, wow, that's a different thing. Well, the reason why he gave is this. He says that, okay, there is a strong earnings season coming. A lot of sectors, a lot of companies are announcing their profits, and he thinks that there will be a strong earnings season coming. And he thinks that the Federal Reserve will pivot to cutting interest rate and will announce much more. He thinks that the AI story is coming out in a big way. There's a huge productivity uplift. I believe so as well. I believe so much that I'm betting quite a lot of money into AI. Yeah. Okay. So I believe so as well. So, and then he thinks that all this will culminate together in a positive year-end rally. Can you find fault in what he says? Can you find fault in what he says? I cannot find fault in what he says, I think what he says make absolute sense, All of it makes absolute sense. So I think that this has some sense, okay? So actually, going back to gold and equities and all this, I think gold eventually will still go back to its own place. It's a safe haven asset where the growth will still be led by equities. Okay, so I think equities will still continue to have some growth. So most of the analysts says is the gold pullback. Think of it as a consolidation for you to gain some grounds. They don't think it's the end of the gold rally. And so essentially, all the problems like the government incurring a lot of debt, there's a lot of deficit in many countries, people don't trust fiat currency anymore. All these will continue to drive gold prices to go up in the mid to long term. And of course, equities will still be viewed very favorably. So Tom Lee's 7,000 points for S&P 500, I think the chances is good, not 100%. Okay, so for those people who still want to take gold, I think the textbook answer is to hold gold as a small percent of the overall portfolio spread. Okay, and stay invested in globally diversified portfolios, and do your rebalancing as the portfolio gains profit. Okay, so this is what the analysis is. Let's have some question and answer, shall we? Okay, questions please. Question and answer. Okay, question and answer session now. Okay, let me drink some water. Yeah. What's the stock market opening? It should soften a bit. Wow. Okay, it's almost flat. Yeah. What's the gold price right now? Let's take a look at the gold price right now. Okay. The gold price has gone up slightly to 4072. Okay. So I just asked for you to stabilize. Okay. Yeah, this one up, down, down. May I know which AI stock you buy? I only buy the entire index. Okay, I'm a big believer that I cannot pick stock, so I buy the entire index. And when I buy entire index, it's made up of a lot of AI companies anyway. So if the AI dream were to come, both the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq will go up as well. Okay, Tom Lee also said Ethereum will go to more than 10,000. His company is BitMine soon. Okay, yeah, but I don't touch crypto because I don't know how to analyze crypto. What's the name of what index? Okay. I do have some AVGO Broadcom's shares, but that's not because I believe in the AI story. I bought in 2019. AI haven't come out yet. Okay. 2019, I bought Broadcom. It was part of a lucky strike. Okay. Because the magic formula speed up Broadcom, I bought it and then it went up 10 times. Okay. How I wish I throw my whole heirloom into it. I need to throw $10,000. Can I say? What is the index that I buy? I buy the S&P 500 and NASDAQ. I buy the dimensional fund. I buy MSCI World Index. So I bought all the major index. Yeah. Well, Chai, good to see you. So I think a globally diversified index is a best bet. Okay. And if the market were to come down for one or two stocks, is offset by the counters on the others. Do you think S&P 500 will go by more than $7? Yes, I do believe. The question is when. I think Jianming, you're asking me not. Okay, you're not asking me whether S&P 500 will grow by more than 7,000, because the answer is for sure one day it will. I think the answer is when. The question is when. By end of this year, I think there is a chance. Okay, there is a chance, and it's a pretty good chance. I must say that Tom Lee so far has been right more than 90% of the time. Okay, DY, thank you. After I hear you rebalance, I sold my S&P 500 and make $500. Wait, I better say again, a lot of people make a mistake. Today, I met someone who actually said, when you hear that I sold 1/3, they went to sell 1/3 of their shares. That's not what I did. Okay, that's not what I did. I sold 1/3 of my profit. Let me mathematically give everybody again what I did. Please give a thumbs up. This is very, very important. Everybody give a thumbs up right now so other people watch this very clearly, okay? Please listen very carefully. Yesterday, I used the example. I think it's very good. I have $10 of shares, okay? I have $10 of shares. It grew to $13. If I take out 1/3 of my profit, how much profit did I take out? How much dollar did I take out? Everybody, Mr. Teng, I never say it's you lah. Okay, how much did I take out? This is like a PSLE question, or O-level question. How much profit did I take out? Okay, NG is $1. EDC is $1. Okay, go on. Okay, what else? Surely not. Okay, everybody got it now. Okay. So I took out $1, okay, $1. So now left with, after $1, left with $12, okay. Now thank you everybody. If the market increased some more, it went back to $13, okay, I will not sell. But it went up to $16, okay. If I were to clear 1/3 of the profit, how much do I sell again? The second question. Okay, now pause right now. Okay. Second, profit rebalancing. Okay. Okay. How much do I sell? Okay. Second, so I say again. It went up. It went up. It went up by. It went up from. So I took out 1/3, which is $1 out, right? Okay. Now it go up to $16. How much do I sell? Okay. By right. I think I need a calculator also. Okay. Okay. So I made, so the profit is $4. Can you see that? The profit is $4. So if I take out 1/3 of it if I take out 1/3 of it is actually $1.33. Okay. Now, of course, you don't need to be so mathematical. So one more time, from $10, you go to $13. I sell, I take out $1. Okay, I take $1. Then from $12, the $13 dropped to $12. Then it go up to $16. So it went up by $4. So I take out 1/3 of it. I take out $1.33. Okay. And then you go on and on and on. Now, this is Mr. Lu's method. By the way, I didn't invent this method. I learned it from my fund manager. I have a fund manager friend. He's freaking successful. Freaking successful. He taught me this method. So he has I think his net worth is like, I don't know, 10, 20 times or maybe 100 times my net worth. I don't know. It's like some very big number. Okay. So he taught me how to do this. So what he does is that as it goes up, he take out 1/3, it goes up, he take out 1/3, goes up, I take out 1/3, goes up, he take out 1/3. So his portfolio goes up. One day, if it crash, you took up a pile of it already. Okay. Now should be half, 1/3 is up to you. So what the Singapore government do is to take up half. I a bit more conservative. I'm a growth person. I take out 1/3. Half or 1/3, it doesn't really matter. Okay. High watermark, yes. The base is always the initial investment. No, so I take out the profit, incremental profit. Okay. So the first, remember, okay, this is $10. It grew to 13. I take out $1 left with 12. So this part of profit now goes to the base already. The new base is 12. So it now go up to $16. I take out $1.33. So I take out profit. So the new base is here. And then it goes up. I take out 1/3, goes out, I take out 1/3. Okay. Yeah. So my fund manager taught me, a very, 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 very good fund manager. He's like, I don't know, net worth is like at least 20 times my net worth. Okay. My net worth relative to billionaires is not a lot, but my net worth is good enough. Okay. But he's at least 20 times my my net worth, my guess. Okay. So he taught me this method. If I learned this method long time ago, I would have saved myself from some heartaches. Okay. Okay. The question is how frequent. I don't think it's determined by the time, but it's determined by the growth. Yeah. So maybe one way to do it is that whenever you achieve, let's say, I can now take out, let's say, $1 of profit already. I'll take out $1. So in my case, maybe I can now take out $100,000 of profit. I will take out $100 of 100,000. So when I hit there, I take out. So far, ever since I learned this method, this is a new method, means I learned it so far for 1 year. I learned 1 year plus already, this method. So I've taken 3 rounds of profit already. Okay. And then I rebalanced to other asset. Bulk of the rebalancing went to bonds. You know that I announced to everybody, bulk of the rebalancing went down to bonds. Okay. And then it then rebalanced. I took some, there are 2 badges I put into companies. Okay. Another 2 I put to companies. Yeah, it's called rebalancing. This is called rebalancing. Profit taking means you take already, you pocket the profit, go and spend. So you enjoy the profit. Nothing wrong also. Rebalancing means that you have a spread of asset in a certain ratio. When the one asset goes up, you sell it to top up the other asset that are out of the ratio. That's called rebalancing. Okay. Yeah. So that's called rebalancing. And by the way, you don't believe, is it? You don't believe I asked someone to explain to you, because a lot of people don't believe Mr. Lu sometimes. Hi there, how are you?
Hey there, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. I hope you're doing well too. Let me know what's on your mind or what I can help you with today.
I want you to take on the persona of a economics financial professor in top university like Stanford University, but explain in a very simple way the principle of rebalancing between bonds and equity in an environment where the equities has gone up quite substantially, like right now. Can you explain that in 2 or 3 minutes?
Absolutely, I'd be happy to. So, stepping into that Stanford professor persona, imagine we're just sitting down for a friendly chat in a classroom. The basic principle of rebalancing is kind of like making sure your investment mix stays balanced the way you originally intended. So if you started out with, let's say, 60% in stocks and 40% in bonds, and then suddenly stocks have a big run up, your portfolio might become, I don't know, 70% stocks and only 30% bonds because the stocks grew more. Rebalancing just means you'd sell a bit of those stocks and buy more bonds to get back to that original 60-40 split. Why do this? Because it helps you manage risk. If stocks keep going up and up, you're naturally getting more exposed to a potential drop. By rebalancing, you're just keeping your risk level in check and making you're not too heavily weighted in one area. So it's really just a little bit of maintenance to keep your portfolio balanced the way you want it.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
So it's exactly what I said. Don't say I come up with this houseology myself. This is hardcore financial 101 called rebalance. Okay. So my brother is here. Good to see you, brother. Okay. Yes. So it is a very important portfolio management theory. There's actually, I don't want to say this. Okay. I always say this, and please, the Christian don't get angry at me. Even Jesus doing 100% success in getting people believe in him, right? So I'm nobody. So I just want to say this: not everybody believes in Mr. Lu. A lot of people actually think that I'm a con man. I know I sell a lot of fruits. I sell a lot of supplements and all sort of stuff. But at the heart of it, I'm actually a financial educator. Okay. So I'm trying to share with everybody what is called rebalancing. And I'm a practitioner. That means that I don't just got theory, cannot practice. I actually execute it, okay? And right now, I'm teaching my next generation how to execute it, because the person who execute it is Benjamin, my son. Nowadays I just tell him, he's my AI, okay? I tell him, he go and do it, yeah. So the principle of rebalancing, basically, it's you bring it back to the same ratio. Okay, I give you the philosophy. Everybody watch it. If your principle is 50-50, very few people 50-50. Okay, let's try 60-40 or 70-30. Let's say your principle is 60% equities, 40% bonds, right? Let's say go to now 70-30. Very simple. You hit this mark, you sell it back. Every time you hit this mark, you sell it back to 60-40. Okay, that is really stock market rebalancing 101. Yeah. Okay, Cheryl asked, Mr. Lu can ask if the one-third rule is something we can consider in their direction. Either way, you should have. Yes, either way you can do it. So let's say now we are at 60-40, now become 50-50. Very simple. Okay, sell bonds, buy shares. Right, 60-40. This is a very typical answer to it. Last time I have to do it myself. I hate to do it because very, very painful. Got to do the spreadsheet calculation, everything. Now very simple. Ask AI, put in the numbers, ask AI calculating for you. For me, even simpler. I tell my son do it. I tell Ben just do it. Then you monitor very closely everything. What tools he use, I don't freaking care. And he showed me, okay, Pa can rebalance now. I say rebalance. So I done 3 rounds of rebalancing already. Okay, 3 rounds of rebalancing. And then most of it went to bonds and some of it went to investment. Yeah, use AI very easy now. Easy until cannot easier. Walao, it's like life-changing. I'd like to share everybody this, okay? It is important to note that that artificial intelligence, when you use it well, it is life-changing. Today, I have a very nice lunch with Mr. Tang. Even Mr. Tang super agree that he told his children, AI is going to change the landscape. Yeah, okay. And I don't think he used much AI, but he can see it already. Yeah, it's really, really very, very, very. I used to think that I'm only playing catch up to young people. I say this again. A lot of people hear this from me. Okay. I think the young people, especially in Singapore, are underestimating the need to learn AI. I think I'm more kanchong than young people in learning AI. So therefore, I now can say this with a level of confidence. I'm way ahead of many young people right now, because I'm hungry and I'm dying to learn, and I see the risk. B, can you don't mind come over here and see what's wrong with my eyebrow? Why is there something shiny here? Is there something here? Is it? Why is there like some shiny thing here? I don't know what's my eye. Yeah, so this Saturday AI course in what time? What you don't know? Huh? It's at the Lifelong Learning Institute in Paya Lebar. Yeah, Lifelong Institute Paya Lebar. So those who are attending, please be serious about learning. No, it's not. It's not white hair. It's B is not white hair, right? It's my antenna. Is it okay? Yeah, sorry. Yeah. So I think that I'm very proud of my achievement. This one I'm very proud of it now. It is very possible for you to leapfrog young people. I thought the young people will take the chance and learn AI like crazy. But then I went to my companies, kind of sigh. All the young people don't know how to use AI. Shame on them, man. After Mr. Lu AI course, I really impressed. Yeah, Miss, it's and I must say this, what I learned of AI, is at most 5% of what the capability are out there. 5%. And now I see the young people are not even half my standard. Shame on them, man. I'm gonna start dealing with my staff if they cannot catch up with AI. Really shame on them. Every day I watch 5 AI videos, at least 5 AI videos. Yeah. Because it's catching up so fast. Cannot, just unbelievable. It's just too fast. Today, ChatGPT came out with this one. The other one coming with that. It's oh, okay, yummy beef. Okay, I'll give you the yummy beef address. You'll give me a minute. Yes. Uh, I I'm only I think only maximum 5% of the full capability of AI. Uh, I try to find the yummy beef AI, and let you all know. I pin up for you guys. It's insanely good. Thanks to Mr. Tang. Okay, it's really, really very good. Can you describe the beef to everybody?
Wow.
Come while I look. Okay.
I tell you the address. 0222.
No, I need
Oh,
to
okay.
paste. Okay, you tell everybody how good it was.
It's very, very good. It's actually like a Japanese barbecue. Okay,
Run by a Japanese.
Run by a Japanese. Okay, Japanese lady has been operating there at least for the last 25 to 30 years, because Mr. Tang, he himself was actually eating in this particularly Japanese restaurant, right, for like last 25 years. Okay, so for someone to go to a restaurant, right, for 25 years means it's really very, very good. And they say it's very, very good. It's like those kind of like a Korean barbecue, but it's actually Japanese style. And then it's Wagyu beef, and then right, they actually have the cow's tongue, is it?
Yeah, cow's tongue. Well, that's the best.
Yeah,
the cow tongue was the best, and then the pork collar.
And then the pork collar. Okay, so these are the 3 that we actually got. Okay, so you got Wagyu beef, then the cow's tongue, and then the pig shoulder. Super, super good. Okay, Korean barbecue, and then of course
it's not Korean, it's Japanese barbecue.
Sorry, Japanese barbecue. Super, super good. It's very nice, but we were told that afternoon, right, the prices is actually more reasonable. Nighttime, right, a lot of time is actually fully booked. So if you want to go to this place, right, try the afternoon. Okay, yeah, so it's very, very good. Yes.
We don't get any
no commission.
no commission. This guy. Walao, I tell you, that lady, the Japanese lady, is a Japanese lady boss. It's called, I don't know how to pronounce this. Yakinikute Ayo-chan. Yakiniuke Kanasai, I don't know how to pronounce. Yakiniuke. Alamak, next time long queue already. Share lah. I tell you, it's damn, it's not expensive. The best part is it's not expensive. Okay, I already pin up. Okay, it's here. Okay, and then it's in it's at Orchard Road Concord Hotel. Okay, Concord. The address is here. You can see now, Concord Hotel. Okay, don't say it's really fantastic. You look at it's Wagyu beef. Walao, it's like, I tell you, it's damn good. Okay, okay, so it's not expensive. It's not cheap, but it's not expensive at all. It's really very good. Oh, it's already your favorite restaurant. Okay. Okay, so okay, when you're there, the Japanese go in the afternoon, at night, them one person $33 set meal, okay, $33 set meal. To be frank, $33 I think not enough for me. 加一点菜啦, okay, yeah, okay, raw, okay, Guya Tang is famous. They have raw beef sashimi also. Well, a lot of people know the place. Wow, okay, how come we don't know? Well, it's damn good, okay. Again, never, no commission. The lady boss don't know me, probably will not remember me. I'm nobody, okay. I just go in, I see good Kang Tao, I introduce to you all, okay. Ken, yeah, average around 80 90 per head, okay. So but it was damn amazing. To that end, that one I want to die. Yeah, really very nice. You barbecue yourself, it's very, very nice. I'm sure if you ask the lady to barbecue for you, they also do it, but I think barbecue yourself. Yeah, okay, yes. I brought foreign business clients to eat there, all enjoy it. I actually think it's the best Japanese barbecue I ever had in my life, man. And take note of this, I go and eat Korean barbecue, like more than most Singaporean, because I go to Korea so often, right? Wow, it's like damn nice. Give a call to them. I think afternoon, I think it's weekday afternoon is okay. I don't know about the rest, okay? Yeah, this is my first time there, so I don't know. Okay, so I want to share. Yeah, it's really very nice. Hey, we're talking about AI. Let's focus on AI, okay? By the way, restaurant business, no, okay, chef that skill, AI cannot beat easily. Okay, AI cannot beat easily. Yeah. So but what I find pitiful is that the whole floor full of empty retail. It's empty retail. So it's I think retail business very tough in Singapore. Lunch not so crowded. Today when there wasn't so crowded, but it's like, walao, it's like amazing, really amazing. Okay, really, really amazing. If you, I show you some photo. Don't say you, I never show you. Okay, can you all see? Walao, it's like marbled beef, barbecue. This thing freaking melts in your mouth. Okay, I didn't. Where is the one that has a cube, the tongue one? Okay, well, I never tried this. They got raw beef. We haven't tried this. Shucks. Okay, I didn't try the raw beef. I didn't try the raw beef. I will try next time. This is the tongue. Wow, say man, damn nice. I learned AI beginning of this year at Lifelong Learning Institute. Wonderful. Okay. So I just want to say this. Going back to artificial intelligence, I actually think it's life changing. I actually think that we all now senior citizen can leapfrog the young people. Can easily leapfrog young people. For me, come up with a deck to analyze all this will taken me 2-3 days. Now 20 minutes is done already. Okay. Yes. Vegetarian cuisine. Jian-Ming, I know you are vegetarian, so I don't want to be insulting, but every time after I eat vegetarian meal, I always, no matter how full I am, after I go and run to eat the meat again. Yeah, so I very bad lah. Okay. Yes. So I think it's really amazing. So yes, AI is beyond ChatGPT. So I told you I got this device, right? I'm still trying to look for. Yesterday I've got a long gold chain that I got, but it's not long enough. So they are trying to help me find a 70 cm one. Because my dad say I wear a black string, look very unauspicious. So anyway, this device record everything I say into the phone and organize it. And as I just say, it can recognize what is a to-do list and what is not. Wow, that's amazing, man. Okay. How to use AI agent for PMET? No, it really depends on your industry already. Okay. So for example, Master Chief Sean, can you please tell me which industry you are? Okay. Yeah. Which industry you are? I'll give you an idea how to use it. Yeah. So, leapfrog made me think of Vietnamese. Why? They eat frog, is it? I don't know. Okay. This is a voice recording. I wear it non-stop on myself, and it record everything I say. Okay. And then it finance, which aspect of finance? Okay, which aspect of finance? So So you record everything I say. So let's say a whole day. Then the app itself, I can click reminders. Then you will tell me what are my reminders, what I need to do every day. Wow, it's like I don't need to, like just now I talk about having a podcast with Arthur Lang from Singtel, right? He says here, please confirm if you want the podcast. Then I say yes, I add it to a to-do list. That's it, man. Amazing, right? So you just record. Yeah, you just record. It's called limitless. I throw you a box. Limitless. Wealth management. Okay. So okay, are you talking about the restaurant? Okay. So well, let's say you are in finance, right? Let's say you want to improve on let's say you want to let's say you want to help people analyze different products. Okay, I'm trying to think of what can I do. Because I need samples to do it. Maybe I try. Okay. Okay. Let's try this. Let's try this. Okay. Okay. Let's try this. I use ChatGPT, and for once, let's use something else. But ChatGPT has all my records. But I'll just do this for you guys. Give me a minute. Okay. Okay. Just for Sean's sake. Okay. Okay. Let's go at ChatGPT. I'm gonna start. Okay, and let's go. Okay. Okay, let's go. Can y'all see? Just make sure I share screen. Give me 5 most popular financial insurance product that Singaporeans are buying in 2025. Okay, let's see what it comes out with. I also don't know what it come out with. Okay. By the way, they always like to come out in Bahasa, which I don't know why. Okay, and this is a bug, but I don't know. But at least, but you will at least come out in English when I tell him to. Okay. So here, these are the 5 most popular financial products. Okay. Okay. So the basic says that SSB is a popular, TB is popular, real estate investment trust, cash management fund, equities, pension funds, whatsoever. Okay. So, okay, let's, what I'll do? I'm going to screenshot this and put it into a photo. Okay. And then I'm going to upload this photo. Okay. Give me a minute. Okay. I'm going to upload this photo. Okay. I'm going to just say this. Okay. So take reference from these most popular products. And I have a client right now. He's right now in his just retirement at 65 years old. He probably have around 200,000 spare dollars in his ordinary account that he can withdraw anytime. He has met his full retirement sum in his CPF SA. He has got some local Singtel shares and DBS and OCBC for dividends, probably value around $50,000. He has got no more liability for his housing, and he's thinking what he should do with all his funds. He has a spare cash about $500,000, not knowing what to do. Can you suggest a plan for him to deploy his finances? Okay, wait, it's going to come out in Bahasa again. Okay, can you all see before I end up talking myself? Okay, yes, this damn thing come in Bahasa again in English. Okay, let's see what it says, okay? I don't know why he always come in Malay. I damn sian. No matter how I tell him to, he always make this mistake. Okay, and sometimes answer come out in Bahasa also. Okay, wait, I better. Okay, wait, okay, he's going to analyze. Okay. So this is a comprehensive strategy. He has got $500,000 cash, managed FRS, $50,000 dividend stock, no liability, can draw at any time. Core focus should shift from wealth accumulation to wealth preservation plus income stability for growth. Generate steady retirement income 4 to 5%. Keep liquid for medical. Hedge against inflation, longevity. Minimize tax and cognitive stress. So this is what he suggests, right? Savings bonds 25%. Bonds and ETFs, bonds, ETF and REITs ETF 25%. Blue chip 20%. Global diversified, global equities 15%. Cash management fund 10%. SRS contribution 5%. Blah, blah, blah. And then the rationale being blah, 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 blah. Cash flow illustration, blah, blah, blah. The plan, everything, blah, blah, blah. Just nice. Okay. Yeah. So it's, yeah. Okay. Actually, that's a very, Jianming, you have actually a very good, okay. I'm going to ask him, why is it that whenever I send anything to you in voice to text, it always come out as Bahasa? Can you teach me how to make it come out in English? Because I'm very, very upset about this. Okay. Yeah. Let's see what it says. Okay. That's a really good question. Okay. Use a speech recognition setting. Okay. If the setting is Malay, okay, how to fix it? Click on the desktop web browser, click on the microphone before you start speaking. Okay. Pop up when click on the microphone icon. Where? Okay. When the small pop-out show a language, I don't see any language. Okay, I'll go and figure out another time now. Okay, I don't want to solve this problem here, but obviously there is a. Okay, you know what? I cannot tahan. I'm going to ask it now. Where is the microphone icon? You know what? I do this one. Okay, where is the microphone icon? Let's solve this problem. Okay. 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 Where? Okay. Is it need to right click? I don't know. I just need to ask. If your browser check is on the right side, you see file for upload. Where got web-based boleh click the micro. I don't see it. You know what, guys? Life's too short. Okay, let's not try to fix this problem now. Okay. So anyway, Master Sean, I just want to share you something. Click on the plus. Is it? Have you all found it? Okay, click on the plus. Just in case, click on the plus. No, I don't see a microphone also. No, I don't see a microphone. Okay, you all can find it. Let me know. Okay. Okay. The text box is on the right. No, can you all find it? If you all can find it, good. I cannot find it. I don't know why I cannot solve this problem. Okay, I never thought this. Now, for us who are 40, 50, 60 and above, we got the adjustment problem. We need a lot of time to adjust our mindset. I don't know whether you have the problem. I have the problem. So a lot of time I like try to solve things myself. Then realize, hey, why don't I use AI? So once you start adjusting your lifestyle to use AI, wow, everything use AI. So a lot of people say that AI will make a human less stupid. AI will make a human more stupid. It's absolutely not true. AI will cause a human to be more creative to solve problem. It's a tool. It's just a tool. How can it cause a human to be more stupid? Yeah. Okay. What are AI's videos that you watch? Yeah, well, I can show you. There's quite a lot of it now. Once you start watching one or two, you want me to show you all? I can show you. Okay. Wait, I'll show you guys. Okay. All right. Okay. So okay, and okay, so by the way, most of these are videos that I watch. Okay. By the way, this singer is called Zhang Hongliang. Do you remember Zhang Hongliang? He sang no, 你知道我在等你吗? He's a dentist. I didn't realize he recently came out and sing. Okay, I'll go to history. Okay. Yeah. So I'm gonna watch. Okay, so like for example, the best 2025 Chat GPT formula, AI prompt, whatever. So you just type this one, you can find it. You're in screen capture, okay? Then you got 20 ways to use ChatGPT, like top 1%, okay? And then you just like 25 things you don't know what ChatGPT can do, okay? And so on. There's a lot now, okay? Inside Open AI, blah, 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 you know. I really watch a lot. How to build and sell AI agents, blah, blah, blah. By the way, I haven't even started with agents, agentic artificial intelligence. I'm still learning how to do it. But agents, click on your name, settings, spoken language. Let's try it, okay? Click on my name. Where's my name? Oh, why me, Ali? Okay, wait, wait. Where's my name? Oh, click on my name. Setting, spoken language, English, A B C D E F. Wait, I'm gonna wait. I better show everybody how I do it. Okay, wait. I think someone found it. Who was it who found it for me? Jeremy, you are a genius. Okay, I'm gonna share this with everybody, and then we try out whether your solution work. So everybody watch how I do it. Okay, Jeremy found the answer for all of us. That's called crowdsourcing. So we go back to ChatGPT. Kanasai. Okay, let's go again. My name is here, Lou. Go to setting. Spoken language, not auto detect. Bloody hell. It goes to English. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, English. Okay, language, I think better. Okay, so English. What is this? Show additional mode. What is this? Show additional mode. I don't know what I said. Oh, wow. Okay. What is accent color, actually? Okay, never mind. Language auto detect. Okay. All right. Okay, so let's go. Okay, let's see whether it happens again. Okay. All right. Okay, let's try again. I don't know what to ask it suddenly. Where is the best Japanese barbecue in Singapore that has marbled beef and it's ranked very popular by all social media? Okay, see whether it comes out English or Bahasa. Kanasai is still Bahasa. Okay, it doesn't work. Okay, guys, it doesn't work. Idiot. Okay, forget it. Yeah, it doesn't work. Okay. Yep. Maybe language is put English. Okay, maybe. Okay, I'll try again. I believe you guys. Oops, I'm sorry, guys. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna try this. Setting. Okay, every English I put English. Okay, every language I put English. Okay, English. No reason why. Okay, let's try again. Okay, let's do it again. Where is the best Japanese barbecue in Singapore that has very nice marbled beef and Wagyu beef? Cannot say lah, cannot lah. Hopeless. Hopeless. Never mind. It's okay. All right. Okay, it's okay. Yeah. You can't win all the time. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. 气死人了. For the course on the 8th of November, do we need a ChatGPT subscription? You don't need, but I'll just say this. I think all of us need a ChatGPT Plus subscription. Okay? Yeah. It's stupid. I think you pay $20, it changes your life. $20 to change your life. I think every month I easily spend $100 right now on AI already. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So anybody who can figure that stupid Bahasa problem, let me know. I'm nothing against Bahasa. It's just that, yeah. Okay. Perplexity Pro. Okay. 16. Okay. Yeah. So, yeah. But I have Perplexity as well, but I don't find it as good as ChatGPT. DeepSeek can for it. DeepSheet. Yeah. Yeah. Lousy piece of anyway. My video captioning AI also tend to type out Bahasa. Oh, really? How do you do video captioning in English? AI, can you teach me? I also want to learn. Because right now my videos got no video caption. is because the video caption take forever. Okay, I cannot. Yeah, I want to find one really good one, and I think we can find one. Just that I don't have time. Canva. Okay, Canva. Okay, Canva. Canva is very good also. Yep. Yeah. Okay. I think it's 10:20 already. If I start walking now, I can walk for 1.5 hours. Okay. Anyone have any last question? By the way, let's take a look at the gold price. The last number. The last number is 4062, down less than 1%. Okay. And then we take a look at the let's take a look at the S&P 500 and Nasdaq. Okay. Slightly down, but kind of noise only. Yeah, I think it's okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you, everybody. So for those people who are attending this Saturday's AI course, I'll be very happy to see you. Those people who are taking on the who are attending Mr. So Chin Heng's financial mastery course also this Saturday, I will be there for 2 hours. Okay, roughly 2 hours. Then I'll double back to the AI one. Okay, so I think that'll be quite exciting. And for those people who wants to attend my course on retire with confidence, learning the skill of doing well in your retirement, and see what are strategies that can help you with achieving $10,000, $15,000 to $20,000 retirement a month. I think so far we have 2 courses all fully sold out. The third course is opening up already. Opening up. That will be in the first week of November. 2 night classes. Okay, 2 night classes. I better give you all the. It will be announced in this page. Where is it? Okay. Okay, it will be announced in this page. You'll just scan this QR code. Or for those people above 40 years old, all payable by SkillsFuture. All payable by SkillsFuture. Hey, I went through a lot now to help you all. Don't need to pay money, Okay. Yeah, I went through a lot. 10 courses, get approval, this, that. So you will have a chance to attend courses without paying cash. I mean, government will pay for you and things like that. So you all can scan this QR code. You will join the Telegram group that will inform. All the information will be launched there. Okay. All right. Okay. Good. Thank you, everybody, for joining us. Okay, thank you, everybody, joining us. And for those people who are will Saturday or Sunday new course? Sorry, what Saturday, Sunday new course? Angie, I don't know your question. So now we have got 3 different courses running. One is an AI course, teaching you how to use AI, especially in the finance field. Okay, that means that the AI, you will learn how to use AI to leapfrog young people. I used to say level up, not true. Young people nowadays, their AI skill cannot say. I saw that. I'm very disappointed with them. So you can leapfrog young people right now. Then there's a financial mastery course that's run by Mr. So Chin Heng. Really good. And the third one is the one how to retire very well with confidence. That's taught by myself. Okay, 3 courses. So mine is about teaching how to achieve higher retirement income. That's on weekday nights. So one course will be 2 nights. We start at 7:30, end at 11. 7:30 and 11. J-Lo, okay, those people like die, like must have whatever you write to me. Okay, I'm gonna just put this up here. You're right to. I always get scolded when I kelong. Should I kelong? Okay. Yeah, those people who knows my contact. You just write. Those people who can reach out to me, just reach out to me. I'll see whether I can kelong for you. Okay, my staff, to 11 p.m. No kidding. 7:30, 11. Inside, I'll try to give a small break. You want to love serious? Yes, Saturday all gone. The Saturday all fully booked up. Okay, yeah, fully booked up already. Jennifer, good to see you. I look so thin and tired. I like the thin part. I don't think I look very thin. Okay, I look so unwell. Okay, okay, later I gotta go for a walk. Yeah. Okay, it's an online course. It's an online course. I hate online course, to be frank with you, but the stupid course, the stupid course provider only have it approved for online, so I bo pian. Do you refresh the page? Okay, later I try. It's an online course. So it's 7:30, you reach home, eat an early dinner, we start all the way until 11, okay? It's serious course. So there's a part that I have to teach that is core syllabus, government insists I teach one. And there's a part that is the Kung Fu. So if you want the good, you must take the not so good. That means the interesting one and not so interesting one, you can learn all together, okay? You all want free, you all want government-sponsored course, fully sponsored course, you have to do that. I don't know. How many online course will you throw? So as I say, next, okay, so Saturday or Sunday, one combined whole day weekend, I don't mind having it, but you know what's my problem? No more Saturday already. Yeah, Sunday I'm okay lah. I'm trying my best not to miss Sunday for church. Okay, I'm trying. How many online course will you do? I don't know. Depend on the demand. Yeah, will AI course you conduct tools? Yes, they will. Mr. Lu, I paid for the course on 30th and 31st. Haven't got a confirmation. Don't worry. You anything you just write to Germaine at premiummall.sg. She will handle it for you. Okay. Weekday daytime also can. Not everybody weekday daytime can. Yeah. So I'm trying my best to cater for different people, different mix of people, whatever. I try my best. Okay. Yeah. So we have got I saw on YouTube channel, 2 young men become repair professional, open my company now, a net worth of 3.5 million, thousand of customers, and they're only 25. So that's amazing, right? That's amazing. Yes, I saw that news as well. That's amazing. Oh, maximum 40 people. So we have to open up more courses. We cannot have more people joining in. Okay, maximum 40 people per class. That's the government rule. You want to use SkillsFuture, 40 people. Then after that, then yeah, so that's 40 people. Then I have to open a new class. So Nick, currently right now, end of October, there'll be 2 classes. First week of November, there'll be 2 classes coming up as well. Whoever wants it, you all just find. Okay, first of all, official ways to follow this one. Follow this one, okay? Yeah, unofficial, you can find a way to. I'm told by my staff, don't do that. Make her very painful. But you all can kelong right to me. I see what I can do to help you. Okay, majority. Okay, yes. All right. Okay. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, everybody. Okay. Yeah. Is working with your hands? Yes. Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Thanks, Jennifer. Will you do the course online in December? Which course? Yeah, the retirement with confidence one, which is that I structure a strategy to hit between 10, 15 to $20,000 retirement one. That one I will run it all the way to end of the year with which if I can. Okay, if I can. But I open up class by classes. I don't know. Yeah, it's xiong for me also. Okay, yeah, because 31st of December, after that the SkillsFuture payout gone already. No more. Yeah, no more already after that. So $500 will be wiped out. Those who haven't spent it will be wiped out. It's yeah. Any plan to conduct advanced? Okay, Charles, advanced and AI got to ask Mark to do. I'm not confident. Okay. Yes, US Treasury and TLT going up. That is true. I told everybody to rebalance. Those people who did it, congratulations. Okay. All right. Again, right? Just follow this. Just follow this Telegram group. Follow this Telegram group. You will get all the updates. If you left only $89, there's nothing to do. Once you use Malay, be there. If you use Mandarin, we offer Mandarin. Once you can do same. No, but I never used Malay before. Yeah, I never used Malay before. So I don't know how it become Malay. And I tried that using Mark's computer. It's also the same problem. Anyway, doesn't matter. All right. Thank you, guys. I really need to go for my walk. Okay. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay. It is and bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.